What's up, guys? You're not gonna believe how much this thing costs. This is a 10th scale crawler by WL Toys for $60. That's amazing. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
I know he's hanging out with Abby, and Popeye can't be here because we're spending so much time at the hill lately, but for good reason. We've been having so much crawler fun. I just cannot stop myself from coming back to the hill and driving crawlers. Yeah, I said it right in the intro, guys. This truck is $60. This is the cheapest, by far, 10th scale crawler I've ever seen. Now, I took a few shortcuts to get that price point. For example, you do get a spare tire back here, but that is a very squishy plastic spare tire.
It's shiny.
I do think I would probably just take that off. They got a body clip holding that on. I'd take that off of there. The springs are really soft. It's definitely got a few shortcuts, but a 10th scale crawler, guys. We're gonna see today if this is worth our hard-earned money or not. This truck is completely ready to run with a battery inside, a removable battery. We have a USB charge cable, a nice little transmitter with a foam wheel and trims on here, but the trim is actually on the front of the truck. Not a total deal breaker for me for a crawler. Let's turn both things on here. I haven't even had it on yet. There we go. Nice. Oh, you know what? I thought this would maybe be non-proportional, but it is fully proportional steering. Of course, all the links are plastic and stuff, but that is fully proportional. And how's our throttle? Proportional. We have proportional throttle. Now, the way this is set up, we have a motor on the front and a motor in the back. Okay, there's no drive shaft or anything on here. All our links are plastic. It's a plastic truck, okay? But that is a 10th scale 4-wheel drive RC crawler with proportional steering and proportional throttle. Oh yeah, and the funny thing is the branding of this on the box and on the truck, it says highest financement.
And there's another sticker that we're just gonna laugh about.
highest financement though. Okay, so anyway, a little bit lost in translation there, you guys, but we're gonna start here on the simple part and just see if we can go up this small part of the hill, and then we're gonna wander over there. There's a few other people here, so not waterproof. I don't want to take this through too much water today. Maybe that tiny little puddle down there. But let's just see how this drives. It actually sounds pretty neat because listen to this. There's full throttle. It's got those two motors. It actually sounds pretty cool. Okay, Abby, let's see if it can climb the hill at all. Now, we want to do the real hill climb challenge, but we also wanted to bear in mind, this comes in at a fraction of the cost of the other crawlers we see on the channel. We've been doing like $300 trucks, and here we have a $60 truck. Look at that. It is doing pretty good. There's full throttle. Made it up this small part of the hill. That is really cool. Maybe over that little stick. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm actually impressed with that so far. Let's just go ahead and take it to the steep part of the hill. I think it's gonna struggle with that, but again, $60, this is so cool. Okay, it passed the first part of the test, and now we usually don't even bother with that part of the hill, but because this comes in at $60, I wanted to see if it could at least do something basic. So we have some thick grass here. I'll be surprised if it can make it through that because some of our trucks struggle with that, but look at that. It actually made it through the thick grass. Here we go, up the hill. Now it is a little bit wet, so that's gonna help because those are very cheap tires on there. Oh my gosh, we're getting stuck. We're getting a little bit stuck, but I think we're gonna find the right path and get up the hill. Okay. Oh, that is a rough spot. I'm digging in, guys. Oh, it is struggling. It's just those tires. The motors are still turning, so we know we've got the power to get up there. Let's see if we can get up a little bit to the left. Oh, we just hit that one spot.
I have to go at like an angle.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, all right, let's try. I want to get it going this way. Here we go. Oh, come on, little truck. Oh, it just made it up the hill.
With the angle thing, but it did it.
Look at that. We are up there. That is awesome.
Try.
A $60 four-wheel drive, ready to run RC truck. We are stopping traffic right now. Let's get out of the road. Okay, Abby's at the controls. Our cheapest 10th scale vehicle like ever.
I can't even get past the grass.
There you go. Can you believe that? It's only $60?
Okay, definitely cannot stop.
You gotta keep your momentum up.
Yeah.
Oh, Abby, you are just not made to drive this thing. I crawled right through that stuff.
You have to go full throttle.
Okay. All right, let's see if you can get up this part of the hill now.
I got stuck on the root.
Same little spot, but you had some momentum going into that. Oh, don't go rolling down the hill. Okay, there you go.
Reset.
You haven't actually been upside down stuck yet.
No.
Keep in mind, this is where we've been spending a lot of time with our $300, $400 crawlers, having a good time. And here is Abby just on the $60 ready to run crawler. Look at you go.
There it goes.
You got it.
There it goes.
You got it, $60.
Just had to find the sweet spot.
Some of the batteries that we use on our $300 crawlers are $50, $60 almost. This is crazy.
It does, like, if it hits a tough spot, like,
it kind of
jerks and the wheels don't turn.
Yeah.
So you kind of have to adjust with that. I'm surprised though. I didn't think it would be able to even make it up this
Conquering the hill 3 times. 3 times. That's awesome. That is so cool. Let's get a closer look at this thing again. Look at you go, full throttle down the hill. Let's see this. Look at this. Highest financement. I gotta remember that. Highest financement. So it does seem to get like bogged down on the low end in the grass. That's really the only major issue, because as long as the tires keep moving, it does okay. But if you get stopped in some thick grass, it's bogged down a little bit. I think they did a great job with this. 10th scale, $60. Now, inevitably, what's going to happen with this truck, once people see it and they buy it, that price is going to go up. As soon as this video is released, I guarantee this will not stay at $60. I guarantey it. People are going to buy this.
I can't believe it can make it through that grass.
I'm very impressed.
So you got to get right here and keep it straight.
Now,
oh no.
Please keep in mind, this is nowhere near as good as any of those RC crawlers you've been watching on our channel. You're getting what you're paying for, but I do think that $60 is going a really long way here with this truck, don't you?
Yes. For a crawler, yes.
You're never going to find a crawler under $100 that is 10th scale that is doing what this is doing. Under $100, you know, 10th scale. You got to keep all that in mind. This is definitely a toy grade level, but wow, it is a really good toy grade crawler. Oh, this wind, look at this wind, you guys. Wow. Abby still controls. Now, this is not waterproof, but I think it's a little bit waterproof, so we're gonna go through just a little bit of water. Keeping it. Nice. It's holding straight too, isn't it? Oh, you got, yeah, see, once you get bogged down a little bit, it does this kind of like jerky motion. Well guys, I'm a little bit concerned that you might not even be able to hear us anymore. This is very windy and we're in a wooded area. We need to get out of here pretty quickly because this is kind of insane wind. It picked up a lot since we've been back here. I mean, this is just scary because we don't want anything to fall on the car or hurt us while we're here. So we're actually gonna wrap this video up a little bit early, unexpectedly. I was extremely excited to share this with you guys because maybe you're interested in trying crawling, or maybe getting your kid a crawler and you don't want to break the bank. You know, $300-400 is a lot of money. $60, Still can be a lot of money, but not nearly as much. So definitely pick one of these up for a gift for later down the road for Christmas or something. Any kid would have a great time with this. I think it was awesome. It actually made it up the hill. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Hopefully having that best price for you guys, right around 60 bucks. When we got ours, it was $60 and 1 penny. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Woo!